Guys, this is day 2. This right here, as you can see, is the area that I had done last night before wrapping it up, and it looks pretty good. So we're just gonna continue with the rest of the truck tonight, and we're just gonna do a little time lapse of us doing the whole truck and get as much of it as done. But before that, I want to thank everyone for the video that we had posted. We got 1,400 views already, and I just want to thank y'all for the support. It just really helps a lot. All right, guys. So let's just get to it. Alright guys, so we're done with this entire side of just grinding it off. We're going to take a 30-minute break because our hands got pretty numb. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do this entire side of the bed. And that's pretty much it for the day, for day 2. Alright guys. We're back from our break and we'll come back. Gafu's going to do the front bumper. I'm going to do the back bumper and the tailgate. Sorry guys. Pretty much it for today, so let's get to it. Alright guys, that's it for day 2. We pretty much did what we needed to do today, which was this front bumper right here, this fender, the front door, the back door, and that back panel over there. And also, we did the tailgate and the bottom bumper, the back bumper correction.
All in one day.
Yep.
It's not bad. You guys did this in about, what, 3.5 hours?
Yeah.
All right.
So tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna try to do the other side, and then we're gonna try to get as much as done with the hood and the roof. So alright guys,
Stay tuned, like and subscribe guys.
Alright.